Face, edge and vertex. A three-dimensional object has more than one surface. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and no vertices. A triangular pyramid has 4 faces, 6 edges and 4 vertices. A cone has 2 faces, 1 edge and a vertex. A sphere has 1 face and no edges and no vertices.